Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm so excited that I can finally reveal that I am going to be joining the Not2Shabby Shop design team in 2018. So I have my design package to share with you, but I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Not2Shabby Shop just in case you haven't heard of it before. So you can find the shop at Not2ShabbyShop.com, and Jamie carries a whole bunch of different stamps from various companies, so Lawn Fawn and CC Designs, Neat and Tangled, and this year she's having honeybee stamps added to the shop, which is really exciting. And Craft and Desert Diva is also a company that she has, so go on over and check it out. She also carries Doodlebug, which is a favorite of mine, and My Favorite Things, and lots more. But I wanted to just let you know that if you go on over there, you can use my coupon code to save 10% off your total order. So it's Jen10, and don't forget it's Jen with 2 N's. So JENN10, and that will give you 10% off your order. Also, Jamie has a free with 60 for her customers. So if you purchase $60, you can pop that item into the cart and the total will come off once you're in the checkout. Right now she has a stamp in there for free, which is the CC Designs Fond stamp set if you purchase $60 worth of products, which is amazing. And yeah, so that's exciting. Make sure to sign up for an account because you earn reward points as well. So for every $1 you spend, you'll receive points. And when you have 100 points, then you can get $5 off your order. So there are lots of perks to shopping at Not2Shabby. And I'm really excited to join the design team. I've been purchasing from Jamie for a while now. So let's get on to my design team package. So Jamie sent me the Lawn Fawn Sweet Friends stamp set, and she created this little tag welcoming me to the team. It's absolutely adorable. This is Wintertime by CC Designs. Her coloring is so amazing. I absolutely love it. Here's the stamp set. I know if you're a Lawn Fawn fan, you have probably seen this already. I'm super excited to get playing with it and see what I can come up with. I already have a lot of ideas. Jamie also sent this paper pad from My Favorite Things called Bundles of Blossoms Pastels. So it's 24 sheets, 2 each of 12 different colors of the same pattern paper. So that's really fun. This is kind of reminding me of spring, which is nice because it has been super cold here, and I'm impatiently waiting for warmer weather to arrive. I'm definitely not a winter person. So thanks for joining me today, and I hope you will watch my creations for the Not2Shabby Shop. And don't forget to create an account and use coupon code Jen10 to save 10% off your order. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.